I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Combine 8 ounces cream cheese and 1/2 cups sugar until smooth. Beat for 2 minutes to remove lumps, then scrape the bowl and taste for balance. Mix 1 cup graham cracker crumbs with 4 ounces melted butter for crust pieces to sprinkle and press lightly. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla and 1 pinch salt to round flavor. Have 8 waffle cones ready and chilled to prevent sogginess. Chilling keeps cones crisp, while filling and helps the filling set evenly as you assemble. Beat 8 ounces cream cheese with 1/2 cup sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla until smooth and slightly fluffy. In a separate bowl, whip 1 cup heavy cream to soft peaks, then fold into the cream cheese base. Fold in 1/2 cup sour cream for tang and silkiness, keeping air in the mixture. Spoon filling into a piping bag, or use a zip bag with the corner cut to pipe neatly. Pipe filling into cones using a piping bag or zip bag with corner cut, leaving space for toppings. Place filled cones upright in a stand or a muffin tin and chill cones upright for at least 2 hours to set the filling firmly. Right before serving, sprinkle 1/4 cup crushed graham crumbs across cones, or add 1/4 cup fruit compote or 2 tablespoons chocolate drizzle per cone for contrast. For variety, add toasted nuts, lemon zest, or a dusting of cocoa. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, and do not freeze cones with crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.